In today's video, we'll explore the best herbs and natural calming remedies to reduce anxiety that you can easily incorporate into your routine. Let's start with chamomile. Chamomile is also known as the relaxation herb. Chamomile is a gentle herb known for its calming effects. Drinking chamomile tea can help reduce anxiety and promote better sleep. Research shows that it can significantly lower symptoms of mild to moderate anxiety. Next is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb that helps your body manage stress. Studies suggest that ashwagandha can lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and help you feel more balanced throughout the day. You can find it as a tea, capsule, or powder to mix into smoothies. Then there's lavender. Lavender, also known as nature's soothing oil, is another powerful herb to reduce anxiety. The essential oil is widely used for its calming properties. Diffusing lavender oil, or applying it to your wrists, can create a relaxing atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a stressful day. How about passion flower? Passion flower is nature's sleep enhancer and is an excellent choice if anxiety is interfering with your sleep. Passion flower is known to increase GABA levels in the brain, which helps regulate mood and promote relaxation. Sip on passion flower tea in the evening to prepare for a restful night. While these natural calming remedies for anxiety can work wonders, here are some best practices to get the most value out of them. Always start with small doses to see how your body reacts. Combine herbs with calming practices like meditation or deep breathing. Be consistent. Herbal remedies often work best when used regularly. Remember, these remedies are not a replacement for professional medical advice. If your anxiety is severe or persistent, it's important to speak with a healthcare provider. That said, incorporating these natural options into your routine can be a gentle and effective way to support your well-being. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a calm and balanced life. See you next time.